Do you know, even after Ashwatthama killed her sons, Draupadi showed him mercy? After the midnight slaughter, the Pandavas were furious. Arjuna, with Krishna's help, captured Ashwatthama like a beast tied in chains. Bhima roared, demanding Ashwatthama's death. But Draupadi, weeping, stopped them. She said, "He is our teacher Drona's son. Don't make his mother feel the same grief I feel today." Her compassion stunned everyone. Finally, the Pandavas spared Ashwatthama's life but stripped him of his divine jewel. Draupadi proved that true strength lies in forgiveness.
For more Mahabharata videos, like, share, subscribe. Marvelous epic stories.